Hey guys, so me and Lynn are actually going to Connecticut today to pick up my car. My car's been in the shop for about a week and a half to 2 weeks with my buddy Derek. He welds things pretty good. He actually has an upgraded version of the Flying Miata turbo kit, so you should go check that out. If he has a link, I'll put it in the description below. But he did me a huge favor and welded in my roll bar that I got from Kirk Racing, and we'll go see how it looks. Apparently he slightly singed my my headliner, but I don't care because a race car. But yeah, we're heading down there. We'll see you guys in a few. Hopefully it looks great, and we'll look at these awesome welds that he does. Yo guys, what's up? We're at Derek's shop. Derek did a phenomenal job. That's been there forever. A little mark on my car. That's gonna be in the video now. But Derek got, yeah, it's gonna be. Derek got the roll bar in, solid welds, and he also did me another solid with getting a hitch. So we're gonna be able to take cars all the way down to VIR in a few months. So. Lynn almost fell. So Derek, thank you.
No problem.
Derek, can you tell or anyone that's going to do this job or is going to have someone do their job for them, what is the most difficult thing of welding in the roll bar for 350Z?
Just space, but that's kind of all roll bars.
Yeah.
Getting in space. Definitely hire a professional. I would not recommend it.
Okay.
If you're in your garage with your MIG welder. You might be able to get it done, but probably not.
If you want to start a garage fire.
Yeah, I mean, keep it on all fours, so if it does light on fire, you can push it out of your garage.
It's a good idea.
Then you have a fire in your driveway.
or in the neighbor's yard.
Yeah, you know.
Just not your own garage, your own house.
You don't have enough fire inside.
But yeah, Derek did a great job. You know, the nooks up here is super dark. That's dark in here, but the nooks here, where the base, what am I trying to say here? The base plate's hard to do.
I honestly would have preferred to do them myself. They came pre-welded on.
Okay.
It would have been nice to have them separate, to weld them in without the bar around it, and then set the bar into it,
okay,
and weld them on. But it wasn't that bad. You have to make some room with a hammer or a cutting wheel if you're doing it. But yeah, wasn't that bad.
So the same thing with the ones in the rear?
Yeah, I flattened out
Let's see if we can see that. Right there, that's the one I'm talking about. Those plates were actually flat, right?
Yeah.
So
you just flatten it out with a hammer.
that's another. Just gonna massage it with a hammer.
Yeah. And then just weld them in. Grind off the rubberizer underneath because that'll light on fire before you weld it. Anybody that does cages kind of knows.
Yeah. You did a great job.
The worst part.
What was the worst part?
The fog, the burning paint and rubber fog in the shop when I was doing all the MIG work.
Oh, okay. I don't know if you're joking with me or not.
No, it's terrible.
I've never welded in my life, so.
It's really not fun.
So probably worse when you're stuck in a small car.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do many more winter cages.
No more winter cages, guys.
I think
Derek will not do your cage in the winter.
No, I think it's gonna be a summer only thing when I open the door.
Well, I'm pretty happy. Derek did an awesome job. And well, you know, people are gonna ask, what is the typical price for installing a roll bar? This being a 4-point and this being 2021.
A 4-point pre-made, 400 to 600 is, or 4 to 8 probably isn't a bad price depending on who your fabricator is. How it just depends on how they price it. To get it made and installed, you can probably
1200. I was thinking 1200.
Yeah. And then they just go up from there. I mean, it's not uncommon for people to spend like $7 grand on full cages.
All right, well, Derek, again, thank you. I will show you guys more clips when there's sunlight, so we can get more in the dark spots in the car, but I'm pretty happy with this already, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Yo guys, so next day, we can see I'm in my car now. I'm sitting on something. I don't know what I'm sitting on. Oh, it's the lens. So, we could see that, you know, the main hoop is right here and all the way over there. This hoop goes to the base. The diagonal bar and the other side of the main hoop goes to one plate as well. And there's actually a nice harness bar as well, so that's cool. I'm gonna be running harnesses this year. You can see that this and this diagonal bar is not too far from my head, so we'll be getting some roll bar padding. I'll take you guys probably to HMS with me, but you know, if in an event I'm street driving this thing and I get into a car crash because I just cross paths with an idiot, or I make a mistake, this is not too far. I can actually hit my head on that. This top bar, I have to like actually put some force into it, and this bar here is, you know, same deal. I gotta reach for that one, but it's a possibility, especially with reclining seats. It might be even worse with my fixed back seats, so I'm definitely gonna get some padding. For the passenger seat, Lynn is usually my only passenger in here, even if we take this car. So we'll get some padding for here and the side as well. Luckily it's only 2 on that side and the driver has 3. So that's going to be kind of a costly thing for padding. Maybe I'll get some pool noodles, but you know, I want to protect my passengers and myself. But yeah, we'll go to the back real quick. I'll show you the rear bracing. Give me a second. These hatches are really heavy, and mine doesn't pop out like it should. So, see, I got all my crap back in my car. The trim pieces, I don't know if I'm gonna put these back in, because SCCA is not requiring for those to be back in if you have a roll bar. So that's gonna be pretty good. But here you can see Derek's phenomenal work. Full penetration, nice welds. I wouldn't say discoloration, but some coloration in there. I like that look. But yeah, so there, and then it's covered by the trim. Yeah, it's covered by the trim. But yeah, Derek did a sick job. If you have any welding, definitely hit him up on Instagram. Like I said before, I'll put his information in the description. And now that I'm looking at this trim piece, I have a grocery bag clip. I did not know that. I should have took this to the grocery store more often. But I'm pretty happy with this. So I think maybe I'll take you guys to HMS in the next video or something. And we'll get harnesses and we'll have a good talk with them about angles in your seat and whatnot, roll bar padding, safety within safety. So thanks for watching. I will see you guys later. The winter season's almost done. I say that it's January, almost February, but I wasn't expecting snow over the night, so I might have some fun if it snows again. But yeah, if you like this video, or if you have any suggestions, put that in the comments below. But yeah, if you like the video, subscribe. You know, I want to make this channel grow. I want to show time attack, time trials, and kind of a how I started motorsports kind of deal. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys next time.